Hello my creative friend, in this video I'll be showing you step by step how to create this clipping mask effect right in Adobe Photoshop. Let's check it out. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your shape tool right here. Now you can use any shape for this process, but in this video I'm going to use an ellipse. So I'm going to hold the shape tool and go for my ellipse tool. Now I'm going to hold my shift key in order to draw a perfect circle. Right now you can give your circle or your shape a stroke. So I'm just going to come to the property bar right here, right, and under the outline I'm going to give it something to just make it, and then I'm going to also increase the size of this so it will be obvious. Yes. So next up I'm going to now turn on my image layer. Now, of course, you should have already imported your image layer, so I'm going to turn on the layer, right? So as you can see right here, ensure that your image layer is above the shape layer, right? Else, you're going to get into a lot of errors, okay? So ensure that your image, so if peradventure your shape layer was above the image layer, all you need to do, okay, so let's say your image layer, okay, was above your shape layer, something like this as what you can see on my screen. So what you need to do right here is to come to the layers, okay, the different layers, right? Of course, you know that Photoshop arranges your imports in layers, right? So you're going to take the shape, the image, and drag it above the shape layer right here. As you can see right here, the image is above the shape layer. And then, so the next thing you're going to do right here is to right click on the image layer, right? And then you go down to where you have create clipping mask right here. And as you can see right here, we have successfully inserted the image into the ellipse. Now, of course, you can adjust the ellipse, the shape to so that the part you want to be visible in the ellipse would be visible, right? And then when you're satisfied with the way you want your image to appear in the particular shape, you just come here and click this to save your image. And of course, you can also increase the size of your ellipse. All you need to do is to select both layers. You hold your shift key, select both layers right here, and then you can click and drag it right to fit whatever size you want, right? So when you're satisfied, you come here and click this check mark. So that's it. So I'm sure you had a ton of value from this video. If you've got questions, leave them in the comment section, and of course I will attend to them as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Please like this video, share this video, and of course subscribe to my channel for more graphic design tips, tricks, and tutorials. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.